Hello everyone, I'm Not So Super, and in this video, I just want to show you guys, well first of all I had to get something out today, before tomorrow, which is going to be the new episode of Insane Challenges, which should hopefully be uploaded every Wednesday, but yeah. I also finished the first scene on LEGO YouTubers. I'll probably make a video on LEGO YouTubers, specifically. And yeah, I kind of just want to make this video because I wanted to introduce you guys to someone you guys haven't met before, unless you were subscribed to me since when I was Awesome Stacey Naden and I had this video up and you watched it. But this video I'm going to be showing you my dog. Okay, here she is. Here's my dog. Say hi. Or I guess you probably won't speak for me. But yeah, this is my dog. Hey, can you look at the camera? And her name is Mitzi, and she's a Pomeranian Poodle mix. And yeah, Mitzi, look at me. Mitzi, look at me. Mitzi. Mitzi, look at this. Look at it. Look at. Come on, Mitz. I'm trying to. Can you just look at me, Mitzi? Can you just look at me? I need a good picture for the thumbnail. I'll probably take a picture of you later. There's Mitzi. Oh, so yeah, this is my dog. She's a pretty cute dog. Yeah. She doesn't like to look at the camera, which is kind of disappointing, which I need her for this video. Look at me. Mitzi. Look. 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 Now she's just gonna lick my leg. She loves to lick. She'll lick anything. Mitzi, look at this. Look. Mitzi, you're making it really difficult for me to just film you. There we go. There's Mitzi. Or she'll lick the camera. You like the camera hits? Oh. Mitzi. Mitzi. Yeah, you're a good dog. You're a good dog. Kind of recording awkwardly because I'm trying to get shots of her face, but you guys probably don't like that. No, he wants your belly rub. He wants your belly rub. Yeah, you want a belly rub. Oh, you're such a good dog. So yeah, she's a pretty good dog. Probably rate 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 dog. Yeah, 10 out of 10 dog. Only minor complaints. Sometimes she will not go to the bathroom when we tell her to. Like, sometimes she will just stand there. Or whatever. But then again, there's no perfect dog. But this one gets a perfect score of 10 out of 10. You happy about that? Yeah, you are. I can see your smile. Oh well. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys my dog. Because she's really cute and sweet. And just a really good dog. There's her eye right there. There's smile. Hello, smile. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Google+. I post some important stuff on there. Maybe I'll post some pictures of Mitzi, so you can see more of her if you want more Mitzi, because she is a pretty cute dog. Let's get a zoom in on her face. No, that's creepy. Ew. Let's not do that again. But, yeah. Just my dog. I'm not sure what I'm going to title this video, probably just my dog or something, or meet my dog. But, yeah. I gotta go take a picture of the thumbnail now, so bye guys.